Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I want to give you an idea. These are tissue packs. They come, I believe it's 8 in a package, and the Dollar Tree had them at some point. I bought them a long time ago and I love the design. Of course, every tissue is white, but it's just a package that is decorated like this, and I love it. So when I first, saw these packages, I said to myself, wow, they look like mattresses, especially this one. Look at that. It looks like a mattress. So this would make a perfect bed. So I have more of these, but I'm going to make some beds. And I have the perfect little bears. See this bear here? Which is about to go to sleep with the pajama dress. I have another one, this one. Look at how cute that would look on a bed on the mattress. So all I have to do is get a headboard for this and maybe get another one of these. I do have it. And I'll maybe put them both together like that. That could be the bed. So I need the headboard. Something like that. I'll make a bed out of it. So yeah, so that is my idea. So I hope that you stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching.